I'm going to move to training now. Craig Robertson, CEO of TAFE Directors Australia, you probably know him. The recent announcements about Job Trainer represent a significant investment in skills development. How do you see Job Trainer specifically helping manufacturing businesses? You probably answered that a little bit more, but I don't know if you
did. But look, I'm happy to take 2 seconds because this is just a huge achievement to get the states and territories to work together in record time. I think when I approached the states and territories initially and said, I'm proposing a $1 billion fund, the Commonwealth will actually provide $500 million matched by the states and territories. This is what I want you to do. Within 48 hours, I had responses that all of them would be prepared to sign up. I mean, I think Craig, Peter Constantini, you would know that that never ever happens in the vet sector. We're normally having that conversation 3 or 4 years down the track. So the fact that we made an announcement, put out the funding, and we have now worked with the states and territories, and every single one of them have signed up. Victoria was the last, and in fact, most of the states and territories have signed up, as you know, some time ago. Victoria had a number of issues they needed to work through, I'll accept that. They'd always indicated they would get there, and they did. The key to that, as I said, though, is Adam Boyton, the work he's done with the National Skills Commission. It is not 340,000 additional training places. It's the 340,000 additional training places in areas of demand. That is the key. Working with the individual states and territories, allowing them to put forward to us as the Commonwealth what they see in their own labour markets as the emerging areas, so that we are funding that skills pipeline going forward. But as I had said, my own state government in Western Australia and the South Australian governments have publicly released, so we can flip that over to you, Sharon, their initial list of qualifications to be funded. Remember, free, low cost. It's on the My Skills website if anybody wants to Google that. And both states are funding a range of qualifications and courses relating to manufacturing, such as a Certificate 3 in process manufacturing. As more and more are finalised, they will absolutely be made public, so you can go online at any time. But if you would go on now to the My Skills website, you will find Western Australia and South Australia, the list of courses are free or low cost.
Fantastic. And I'm sure everyone is really pleased at the fact that there is some manufacturing quals there, because that's going to be so vitally important.